Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. First, open CapCut application on your mobile device. Make sure you have the app installed from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can either choose an existing project or create a new one. To create a new project, tap on New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once your video is loaded, you will see a timeline at the bottom of the screen with your video clip. Tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Once selected, a menu will appear at the bottom. Tap on the volume option. You will see a slider to adjust the volume. Move the slider all the way to set the volume to 0. This will mute the original audio of the video clip. If your video has a separate audio track that needs to be removed, tap on the Extract Audio option. This will create a separate audio clip below your video clip in the timeline. Select the extracted audio clip in the timeline by tapping on it. Once it is selected, tap on the Delete button. This will remove the audio track from your video. After you remove the sound, you can save your edited video. Tap on the Export button and follow the prompts to save your video to your device. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.